Hi, this is Dave, aka Crimson Orc, here to talk about soldering. I'm relatively new to soldering myself, and what inspired me to take on this project was quite literally I wanted to put a LED light into a Razorwing, a Dark Eldar Razorwing, and what I made at the end of the day was this. So we've got the LED light there, and a switch on-off switch, and a battery holder. And what I intend to do is to install this here and have the LED light running through into the cockpit. Soldering, it's quite a scary concept for some people, but having had a go, it's quite easy, and people shouldn't really be afraid of it. Quite literally, it's buying some wire like this here. So there's plenty here. It's insulated with some kind of rubber. Obviously you need to kind of get a blade and trim that off, like I've done here. And the soldering process is very easy. It's using a soldering iron, heat up some solder like this to create a join. It's really easy, simple process, and it's not difficult at all. The LED lights themselves, they come in all sorts of various shapes and sizes. These I picked up from Maplin, and as you can see, they're various different colours. The one I used was a quite literally green light, so I'm going to give it a go. So it works really nicely. On-off switch. This one I got from Zind Industries. Really cheap. They're about £1 each. I managed to pick up 2 just in case I mess up one. Batteries, normal Duracell ones, and the battery holder themselves again from Zind Industries. Yep, that's really good. And yeah, it's relatively inexpensive. Obviously you'll need a soldering iron. You can pick them up from about £13 to the really high end ones, which are about £25. Get yourself also one of these, a soldering iron holder, just for a convenience sake really. And yeah, I think everybody should really give it a go if you're thinking about it. It's easy and it's pretty straightforward, and this setup really only took me probably about 30 minutes max, and it was my first go. If there's anything I would watch out for is plastic and heat. So as you can see, there's a plastic switch button there, but just make sure you don't melt the plastic around here. And that's the only thing to watch out for. And obviously you have to get just the length of the wiring correct as well, so make sure you've got enough wiring to basically reach the from where you put the battery to where you want the light to show. And also make sure you position the switch along the wire to the right place, so you can maybe cut out a small bit of plastic for the switch to pop out, so you can actually switch it on and off. One thing I've not really thought about too much for this particular model anyway is how to replace the battery once it goes flat. Either I can probably magnetize the part of the hull or the underbelly side, so you can just lift it straight off and then change the battery from there, but I think that's one to decide for the future. Anyway, that's soldering LED lights. Maybe perhaps I'll do another actual demo where I'm actually using the soldering iron itself, but there's plenty of those on YouTube, so have a look around, and obviously make sure you look at my blog as well at www.crimsonorc.com. Thanks.